Hey guys, welcome. So today I am going to be sharing with you my thoughts and review on this Huda Beauty Faux Filter Skin Fetish. Where is the box? This has a huge name. Faux Filter Skin Finish Buildable Coverage Foundation Stick, and I picked up my shade Baklava 340G, which is a really good shade match for me. And just for the heads up, my skin type is very dry and dehydrated, so I have to moisturize and prime before any foundation. And I have also shared a few other my favorite stick foundations and swatched them so that you guys get an idea about the shade range and if you are thinking about picking it up. I hope this is helpful. Watch till the end on how it applies, how it works with other products, and all the jazz. So until next time, take care, stay blessed and beautiful. And if you have not subscribed yet, that button is, I think, somewhere down here. Just give it a click so that you do not miss out on any tutorials of mine. All right? I'll see you soon. On to the tutorial. Bye. Hi guys, today we are going to be reviewing one of the most hyped foundation of 2020, which is the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Skin Finish Stick Foundation. So a little bit about the foundation. I am on the Huda Beauty website at the moment. It says it has 39 shades, and for the product info, it says it's a flawless filtered finish. The luxuriously creamy stick formula melts into the skin for a natural filtered finish that lasts up to 10 hours, which is a good claim. Whether you prefer a full coverage or barely any at all, this versatile formula will let you be the master of your complexion. So from the website, what I say is it claims up to 10 hours wear. It is a very long wearing, waterproof, humidity and sweat resistant formula, which you can set it and forget it for the rest of your day. Let's see if it can actually stand up to what it claims to be. I am also going to be sharing with you my other stick foundation favorites in here so that you get an idea what is my preference. So the first thing that I noticed, the packaging is very slick and elegant. So this is how the packaging looks like. It is like a square tube, very chic packaging. And let me swatch it. I was thinking of swatching it here, but my face is still swelled from the surgery. I have to be very careful when I swatch it. So this is a very good shade match, it seems. I always match it to my neck because my neck is actually a shade lighter than my face and I have some discoloration on my face, so I prefer to match it here or on my cheekbones. This is what the Huda Beauty foundation is. And my another holy grail stick foundation is the Hourglass stick foundation. My shade is golden. This is like my all-time favorite stick foundation. Let me swatch it here. Oh wow, see, right from the swatches you can see this is such a skin finish kind of a texture, and this one is like full coverage. And if I match it to my neck and try to blend it in, see, this matches really well. And my another holy grail favorite stick foundation is by Tom Ford. This is the Traceless foundation stick. So I mix in two shades in here. This is 7.0 Tawny and 7.7 Honey. So what I do is, this is 7.0 Tawny. Let me swatch it here. See? And if I swatch it on my neck, you see this is like tiny bit lighter for my skin tone. And this shade 7.7 Honey, this I generally apply on the outer perimeter of my face. So this shade 7.7 is, I can say it's pretty close to the Huda Beauty foundation. This is a tiny bit more neutral and this is more golden olive tone. And formula wise, I flippin' love these two. So let's see if the new Huda Beauty foundation can add up to my favorite list. Let me quickly remove this. So I would generally prime my face no matter which foundation I'm going for. Today I am using the Tatcha Luminous Silk Primer. This is one primer which works with every foundation, all of them. And the finish of this primer is like, oh my goodness, your skin will look like porcelain. So the texture of this primer is amazingly good. If you can get your hands on it, I would highly recommend. A quick hydration for my lips before I start. This is the La Mer Lip Voluminizer. This is such a gorgeous lip balm, you guys. So now for the foundation application, half of my face I am going to be using a flat kabuki brush to apply, and other side of my face I am going to be using a sponge just to see how it applies with different tools. Even for the application method, on the website it says you can pick it up on a brush and then apply it on your face on a buffing motion. You can always draw it on your face and just buff it. It's completely up to you. I am gonna do that maybe for the second layer if I want it. Oh, it actually feels really light. So now let me just try to draw a bit. This foundation also comes with a buffing brush, which I did not pick up because I already had similar brushes, so I did not pick it up. So this side, if I'm taking a very closer look, it is not looking cakey at all. And this shade match, oh my god, you guys, it is such perfect shade match. I am so impressed. So I did 2 layers, which I can say has given me good medium coverage. And some foundations, when you try to build it up, it cracks and it looks cakey. This one is not looking cakey at all. Wow, brilliant. Now for the other side, oopsies, I completely forgot to color correct. Thank God I didn't do the birthmark side of my face, so I will quickly color correct and come back. So if you have some discoloration like I have on my face, like birthmark or acne scars and things like that, which is, you think, cannot be covered with foundation and concealers, the best way to tackle this is using a color corrector. That is how your entire face looks even, and half of your face doesn't look gray and half of your face doesn't look golden. So color correction is the key. Now that we are color corrected, let's go on with the foundation. Here I am going to draw the lines and I will blend it in with my sponge. I'm using a By Terry sponge and just bounce it in. So if you ask me, my favorite way of applying foundation is with a sponge, just because I feel like it looks more seamless. So what do you guys think? I think both sides look equally good. Let me do a little bit more on this side. Let's see how it builds up, because sponges generally take away a little bit of excess product from your face. Wow, this is a beautiful build level finish, you guys. Gorgeous. Let's blend it to my neck. Ow, this still hurts. So this is the face. Let me come a little bit closer. I can't zoom you guys in. Let me tone down the lighting a little bit so you guys can see better. Yes. So as it says, it is a non-comedogenic product. It does not clog my pores and it did not emphasize my pores at all. Whereas generally I use a pore filling primer. Today I didn't use any. It is giving me a good satin finish. Oh my goodness. This feels so good, you guys. And it feels so light. Wow. for a stick foundation to give this texture is incredible. Wonderful, you guys, it's wonderful. And I think I forgot to mention, this does not have any fragrance, though I do not mind a little bit of fragrance, but this does not have any. So my first impression is whatever it claims to start with, it is all true. It is so beautiful skin-like finish, and it did not clog my pores. It is buildable. You can even do one more layer and have like full coverage. Wow, I am impressed. So now let me finish the rest of my face and see how the other products work with this foundation, because sometimes, you know, stick foundations doesn't work well with other products, but let's see. So I wanted to use as many Huda Beauty products today, but just to give you guys a real-time review, I want to use something which I really like and would pair with this foundation. That makes sense, right? So in the range of concealers, the Huda Beauty did not stand up to my alley. It was a little too dry for me. So that concealer for me is good when I have more combination to normal skin, which is generally my summer day skin. But now, during this time, I wouldn't prefer to wear that concealer. So I am going to be using my very old favorite, which is the Giorgio Armani Power Fabric Concealer. It is in the shade 6.5. I will just use it here. A little bit around my nose, underneath my lips, and I will blend it in with my sponge. It is not lifting the foundation, and it is blending in quite well. I like it. So this concealer worked with the foundation. Let's see how the next product works. Now for my bronzer, I am using this Milk Makeup matte bronzer stick. This is in the shade Blaze, and I will be picking it up with a synthetic brush by Morphe M437. Just go very light-handed underneath my cheekbones. Okay, you are blending in well. So I would say this foundation is very cooperative with other products. So I will quickly finish contouring of my face. So I am filming today with natural light so that you guys get an actual idea how the skin looks like with the foundation. How many of you remember this palette? This, when it came out, it was so hyped, and I completely see why. These formulas are so good, you guys. So creamy, so like buildable. It's amazing. I have been using this for so long, so I thought, why not use this today with the foundation? So first I am taking the shade Tahiti with the same brush and just go a little above my cheekbones to get that warmth. Wow, I really liked this product when it came out. I used to use it like non-stop. You guys know how the makeup industry is with so many new launches. This product did not get as much love as it should have. So now I am taking the shade Fiji with what do you call this thing? Sponge. And then slightly tap it. Ooh, I got too much. I will blend it in with my finger. But this is what I love about this product. Like, even if you get a little too much, you can blend it out and it blends in so nicely. See, incredibly good. I really like the blush shade in here, but today I'm not going to be using this shade because the eye look that I have in mind will not look really nice with that shade. So I am going to be using this Patrick blush in the shade She Is So LA. So Patrick, the way he uses this blush on the models is he uses the powder side first and then he goes in with the cream formula. But me being me, trying to be experimental, I will be using the cream side first. Whew. You are such a chic color. Do you guys see that? Oh my god, I love Patrick blushes. The formulation is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. On top of it, I am going in with the powder. So this powder not only sets the cream product but also intensifies it a little bit. Ooh, this shade though, you guys. I will be taking this shade to set the highlighter. Wow. I forgot how much I loved this palette, you guys. Guys, I completely forgot to set my concealer. So I really love this powder from Huda Beauty. This is their Easy Bake powder. I use the shade Banana Bread. So this powder is so finely milled. It has a bit of fragrance to it. I'm sorry for that. So you can bake with it. It doesn't look cakey at all. And you can set your whole face with it, which gives you a very filtered, flawless finish. I don't know if the camera is catching it up, but see how it blurred this area instantly. Though I have a dry skin, I can easily wear this powder. It does not dry out my skin as much. This is a beautiful finish. I highly recommend this powder. So now we can take this bunny down and let me quickly finish the rest of my face. So I have finished my eye makeup and I have spit some Fenty Beauty spray on top of it. I have gathered conclusions about my thoughts on this product. First impression, I am impressed. I will give it a big thumbs up. I love the formula. I mean, I am just looking at my monitor down here and it looks so flawless. Even in real life, it looks like I have my mirror here. If I'm looking in the mirror and I'm looking at the monitor, real life also it looks so skin-like and it doesn't look like you are wearing like almost 3 layers of a foundation. It meshed with my skin so beautifully, and this, I believe, the formula, it makes me believe this is going to be working across different skin textures as well, as in normal, combination and dry. It was so easy with other products as well. Generally, stick foundations are very tricky to work with different products. I mean, you will not be only wearing foundation on your face, right? You will be wearing your powders, your concealers and other things. But this worked out beautifully. And I forgot to mention, right after I applied the foundation and my concealer, I forgot to set my face. So whatever products I applied on my face right after the foundation, it glided on like seamlessly. Generally it is like powder and cream products, it gets a little patchy if I do not set my face with powders right after I apply my foundation. So if you guys want to see how did I get my eyes done, I am going to be put up a IGTV tutorial on my Instagram. Head over there. Alright, I hope this is helpful. Take care, stay blessed and beautiful.